Refugees. The problem of refugees is getting bigger and bigger. In fact, it is such a problem that there are now many different words for refugees. There are refugees, political refugees, displaced persons, internally displaced persons, migrants, and more. A long time ago, it was easy to know what a refugee was. Someone who had to escape their country because they were in danger. It was usually people escaping wars. There were many refugees during the Vietnam War. There are millions of Palestinian refugees following wars in the Middle East. Today's refugees escape their country because of war or because their leader is crazy. There are also refugees because of natural disasters like famine or earthquakes. Refugees. The problem of refugees is getting bigger and bigger. In fact, it is such a problem that there are now many different words for refugees. There are refugees, political refugees, displaced persons, internally displaced persons, migrants, and more. A long time ago, it was easy to know what a refugee was. Someone who had to escape their country because they were in danger. It was usually people escaping wars. There were many refugees during the Vietnam War. There are millions of Palestinian refugees following wars in the Middle East. Today's refugees escape their country because of war or because their leader is crazy. There are also refugees because of natural disasters like famine or earthquakes.